Rosi Mai Lomalagi. Simba, Sable boy is in the house tonight. Noqu Rosi ni koro ni kalu. Sometimes I look at you and wonder why the world before me ever passed you by. How could they miss the stars in your design? A whole universe hiding in plain sight. They saw the surface, never dove inside. Never read the stories in your eyes. I don't question it, I just smile and say I'm thankful they look the other way. 'Cause love arrived right on time. Every wrong turn led you to mine. Oh, Noqu Rosi Mai Lomalagi. I'm the lucky one I get to see every beautiful truth you keep, like a treasure map unfolding slow. Every secret place, every glow, every layer, every laugh you give. I get to love the life you live. You're a masterpiece in every way, and I'm the lucky one who gets to stay. Noqu Rosi Mai Lomalagi. Every moment that shaped your soul, every scar that made you whole, every lesson written in your past led you here, led you at last. I get to watch your sunrise break, feel the warmth your presence makes, see the world the way you do, through hope, through fire, through something new. You don't have to hide or pretend. Here you're safe, here you can bend. Oh, Noqu Rosi Mai Lomalagi. I'm the lucky one I get to know. Every quiet strength you show, like buried gold beneath the sand. I get to hold it in my hands. Every flaw that makes you real, every truth you're brave to feel. You're a masterpiece in every way, and I'm the lucky one who gets to stay. Noqu Rosi Mai Lomalagi. I don't take lightly what we found. This kind of love is sacred ground. Oh, not ownership, but gratitude to walk beside the heart of you. If the world couldn't see your worth, then it made room for my rebirth. Now I see clearly night and day, the art they missed, the light they gave away. Noqu Rosi Mai Lomalagi. I'm the lucky one I always knew. Fate was patient leading me to you. Every breath, every broken road built the miracle I now hold. I'll honor every part you are, your shadows and your stars. You're a masterpiece, tried and true, and I'm the lucky one loving you. Noqu Rosi Mai Lomalagi. Not perfection, something rare, a soul so deep, so fully there. And every day I get to say I'm grateful, love.